Understanding room service, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, especially when you're staying in hotels or similar accommodations. The phrase we're exploring is room service. Understanding this can make your travels or English learning journey much smoother. So, let's get started. Room service refers to a service provided by hotels where guests can order food, drinks, and sometimes other services to be delivered directly to their room. It's a convenient option for guests who prefer to dine in the privacy of their room, or when they are too tired or busy to visit the hotel's restaurant. This service is typically available during most hours of the day, and the menu for room service might be different from the hotel's main restaurant. To use room service, guests usually find a menu in their room, often in a booklet or on the hotel's TV system. Orders can be placed by calling the designated number, usually found in the room or on the menu. It's important to speak clearly and state your room number, along with your order. You can also ask about any specials or recommendations. After placing the order, the hotel staff will deliver it to your room within a specified time. When ordering room service, it's polite to greet the staff who answer your call and to thank them when your order arrives. Tipping is customary in many cultures, generally around 10 to 20% of the bill, depending on the country and service quality. Also, be aware of any additional service charges that might be added to your bill. Let's look at some common scenarios where you might use room service. Late night arrivals, when you arrive late at your hotel and the restaurant is closed. Business trips, when you have work to do and can't leave your room. Relaxing vacations, when you want to enjoy a meal on your balcony or in bed. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what room service is and how to use it effectively. Remember, it's all about convenience and enjoying your stay to the fullest. If you have any questions or experiences with room service, feel free to share them in the comments. Happy travels and happy learning!